Hi, I'm Tom Glazer, author of Full Heart Living, and one of the things I discovered right off the bat is that happier people take really good care of their bodies. They move their bodies with joy and they feed it really nutritious things. So I'm sharing some of my favorite recipes that I use on an everyday basis. Here's one I hope you enjoy. So this is what I'm calling my signature salad. This is so simple, this shocks me, but people always are really intrigued with what I have for lunch every day, and it's almost always a version of this same really simple salad. So I've already got whatever salad greens I want. I'm just going to add a few more. Lately, I'm pretty into romaine, so that's what this is. Give myself a nice good bed of that. And then I just add in whatever vegetables I happen to have around. So I'm loving these bagged, the pre-bagged and sliced mixes that they sell now. So this is a combination of Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kohlrabi, and carrots and kale. So I'm just adding that on the top. This is some diced organic grape tomatoes that I just think are amazing. The protein is lentils, and often I'll heat these up. So one of the new learnings to me, as I've really studied resilience and nutrition lately, is the importance of combining nutrients. Remember, there was the whole low carb thing. I followed that for a long time. It did not work for me. Actually, you need carbs, protein, and fat in every snack or meal. So now I'm adding quinoa. Sometimes I will use brown rice. And then for a little sweetness, this is about a handful of organic raisins. So, you can take this with you. Really handy when you get to work or wherever you're going. You've got your salad dressing in another container or in the fridge at work. Mix that all in together. It's so simple, so easy, so convenient, and delicious. You'll be good to go.